Night. Midnight Magic will start on 7:45 p.m. Japan and Korea time. At magsisimula sa Pilipinas ng 6:45. Hintayin ko muna yung may ilang minuto pa. Kakanta pa ako. Kakanta pa ako. Parang practice. Nakakatilong ko. Ay! Panatag ng kalooban ko at ika'y my way kaya, my way. And now, the end is near. So I face a final curtain. My friend, I say it clear. Bang wala pa yung festival? Separate ba niya? Or tawag dyan? 6:45 Pilipinas tayo. The sun goes out to the water. This one goes out to the one now left behind. A simple drop on you by my side. This one goes out to the one I love. Fire. Fire. This one goes out to the one I love. This one goes out to the one now left behind. A simple drop on you by my side. This one goes out to the one I love. Fire. This one goes out to the one I love. This one goes out to the one now left behind. Another drop was up you by my side. This one goes out to the one I love. Fire. Oras na. 7:40. Wala pa. Hindi pa naka-live. Isa, bago mag-live. This is from The Thief. Di pala yun. Go pala. Wait. Meron pang 4 minutes bago mag-live. Nagsimula sa patikim-tikim, pinilit kong gustuin. Isyo'y nagsimulang lumalim, kaya ngayon ang hirap tanggalin. Nabilit-bilitan ng lola, huwag nang uminom ng serbesa, kung hindi inuming pampat. Wait, may nag-chat. Sino may nag-chat? Three minutes pa. Store ba yung chat? Mo ko nakakantay ko. Wait ah. Stay. Ashi. She's gone. Simula sa patikim-tikim, pinilit kong gustuin. Isyo'y nagsimulang lumalim, kaya ngayon ang hirap tanggalin. Kabilin-bilingan ng lola, huwag nang uminom ng serbesa, kung hindi inuming pambata, mag-soft-drinks ka na lang muna. Pero ngayong ako'y matanda na, lola pa inilang tangtoma. Ayan na nga, nahihilo na ako, kasi laklang maghapon magdamag. Di bali nang hindi kumain, sa't may tomang nakahain. Sabi ng laseng ko sa akin, pare, syunyat ka muna. Kabilin-bilinan ng lola, huwag nang uminom ng serbesa, kung hindi Hello to all, I'm J-Rock and welcome to Midnight Magic Festival. My person for tonight is from Green Day. Sa mga lahat ng selosa dyan, ito yung kanta para sa inyo. This is She from Green Day. She's screaming silent as to let lie of penetrating to her mind. Waiting for a sign, Christmas the silence with a break of self-control. Are you locked up in a world not being open for you? Are you feeling like a soldier to be without use? Screams at me under my eyelid. I'm taking it just for you. She figured out that all her doubts will be somewhere else but of you. King of this time, Christmas na silence with a brick of self-control. Are you locked up in a world that been not for you? Are you feeling like a soldier to without a use? Screams at me until my ears bleed. I'm taking it just for you. Are you locked up in a world that been not for you? Are you feeling like a soldier to without a use? Screams at me until my ears bleed. I'm taking it just for you. Next song. That was from Green Day. Sa mga selosa. Ito naman ay yung love song. Love song, dun sa lalaking in love ni Love to Survive. Sampung taon na akong nanliligaw sa'yo. Bakit di ko na malaman kung ano ang gusto mo? Nagmukha na akong katulong driver at alalay mo sa bawat araw ng linggo. Inaraw-araw mo. Akala ko naman may pag-asa sa'yo dahil sa iyong sinabi na maghintay lang ako. Ngunit isang araw nagulat nung naglalakad ako. May kasama kang iba, nakayakap pa sa'yo. Sana di na umasapang magkatuloy akong tanga. Noon pa may mahal ka na, ngunit sinayang sa wala. Pakinggan ang aking sasabihin, ayoko nang ulitin, makinig ka na. Kung ika'y aking iiwanan, sana'y di mo makayanan. Mamatay ka na, mamatay ka na, mamatay ka na, mamatay ka na agad. Sana'y di na umasa pa, magkatuloy akong tanga. Ngunit mahal ka na, ngunit sinayang sa wala. That was from kami kasi. Yung Tagalog, ang pamagat niya. Ano siya? Broken hearted. Tapos, next song is from Tuesday. This is Stay by Tuesday. really shouldn't let the moment pass us by. Love too short, shouldn't wait for the waters to run dry. Think about it, 'cause we all live one shot at destiny. All I'm asking, could it possibly be you and me? So if you still go understand, you give me something just to hold on to. And if you stay, I'll hold your hand, 'cause I'm truly madly crazy in love with you. Since was to go on separate ways. God forbid, but my mind is going crazy today. I feel so cold, 'cause now I'm having nightmares. But awake, help me Lord, why does loneliness take this pain away? So if you still go understand, would you give me something just to hold on to? And if you stay, I'll hold your hand, 'cause I'm truly madly crazy in love with you. So if you still go understand, would you give me something just to hold on to? And if you stay, I'll hold your hand, 'cause I'm truly madly crazy in love. Now that you're gone, I'm all alone, still hoping that you will come back home. Don't care how long that I'm willing to wait, 'cause I'm truly madly crazy in love with you. Ang hirap. Dalawa kasi yung vocals na doon. Last song ko is from, ito yung ano ko, original song sa mga walang joy. Pero ano siya, tunog siya ng, music siya ng ano, kahit maputi na buhok ko. Lyrics lang yung original. Ika'y matanda na, bakit wala ka pang jowa? Sayang lang, ikaw ay nalalanta na lang. Ang iyong Prince Charming, wag mo nang hintayin. Hindi na yung darating ang aking payo, kahit sino gawain mo, para hindi masayang lahi mo. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Malalagas na ang iyong mga ngipin. Ang iyong Prince Charming, di pa rin dumating. Hindi na yung darating ang aking payo, kahit sino gawain mo, para hindi masayang lahi mo. Di ko matanda na, bakit wala ka pang jowa? Sayang lang, ikaw ang inalalanta na lang. Ang iyong Prince Charming di pa rin dumating. Hindi na yung darating. Ang aking payo, kahit sino lumayin mo, para hindi masayang lahi mo. Walang jowa song. May 3 minutes pa pala ako. Ay, 2 minutes. Hello po sa lahat. I am J-Rock. Salamat po sa mga pupunta. Sa mga nanood, salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat. Di ko natatapusin yung ano. May ano na lang siya. 8 minutes. Nagpiyok ako dun sa isa. Yung boses ko na malat. Minalat yung boses. Hello to Honor to sino pa? Kay Session Max, hello po sa inyo. Kay Debbie Gibson. Debbie Gibson, hello to you. Showbiz. Sino pa? Senku. Kay Nicole, kay Yumi. Kay Lee. Violence. Kay Best Job. Kay Jane. Next na yung isa. Sa minuto na lang. Salamat po. Bye-bye. Di pa tapos. Ang tagal matapos ng ano. Tagal matapos. Gusto niyo ba yung walang jowa song? Na walang jowa. Song. Hintayin ko lang matapos. Ano na lang siya, 1 minuto. Tapos baka mag-out na din siguro. Mag-end show na din siguro. Minalat yung boses ko eh. Hello to Ronnie. To runner pala. Wait, baka may nanonood sa kabila. Ay, best size, sige. Best size, sige. Baka meron kang gustong kanta. Tapos na yung show ko sa kabila, sa festival, sa session. Bite size, sige. Astig is life. Bite size, sige. Baka gusto mo ng ano? Gusto mo na ba ng tawag ko? Nabubulol tuloy ako. Gusto mo tribal piece? Bulok. This from Tribal Peace. Buhay mo'y sirang-sira, gulong-gulaw ang isip mo, di alam kung saan ka pupunta. Ayusin mong sarili mo, bakit ka nagkaganyan? Pwede ko bang malaman, ano bang naging dahilan, paggagawa ng iyong kalokohan? pagsisisi, bakit ka nagwawala? Tama ba yung ginagawa? Nakakabipon ka na. Ano ba yung problema? Sumasakit ang ulo ko sa mga ginagawa. Ano bang gusto mong mangyari? Gusto mo ganyan ka na lang, ganyan ka na lang palagi. Pambihira magbago ka naman, tigilan ng iyong kalokohan. Wala na akong masabi, naubos na ang laway ko. That was from Tribal Peace, Bulok. Hello, Mami, Kyla, Francine, Jan Alatik, Kyla Natik, hello home. Hello to you. Hello to Mami. To Ma'am pala, di Mami. Ma'am of Kyla. Francine. Ano ba pinagsasabi ko? Yung pala yun, di female voice. Saan ba yung ano dito? Ano ba yun? Aha. Di ko alam pakialaman tong ano ko. Pasensya na. Baka may gusto kayong kanta, pwede kayong mag-request ng kanta. Bite Size Siggy, hello to you na nasa YouTube. Yung mga nasa session kanina, hello to all of you. Don't forget to tap the stars in the party section. Please, 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 please. Don't forget to tap the stars. Kung pwede lang. Hinang-hina ako. Ano bang magandang kanta ulit? Parang wala nang alam kantahin eh. Naantok na ako. Bumaba naman yung rango ko. Napunta na naman ako sa ano, sa pinakamababa. Ma'am of Kyla Francine. Kailan yan? Kailan yan? Kailan mo ako? Okay, maganda. My way. And now, the end is near. And so I face my final curtain. Like ko tayo. Gawin ko siya. Hinang-hinang inaana. Huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-request ng song. Chat nyo lang sa message or go to song tab. Then make a request there. And please don't forget to tap the stars in the party section, please. Hello to hello to Bite Size Siggy na nasa YouTube. Bite Size Siggy. Try ko nga itong My Way. Try ko siyang yung version nito. Ang pangalan no? Sid Vicious ng Boyz ng Sex Pistols. And now the end is near, and so I fade a final curtain. My friend, I say it clear, I state my hate up with some certain. I'll live a life that's full of trouble leads, and there'll be a way and more. What's more to be? I did it my way. Which I had a few, but then again, it is too better. I did what I had to do, and so with you, without extension, I ran childhood, step to step along the byway, and more. Yes, there was a time sure you knew when I beat up more than I did too. But you know, the news was down, I ate up and speed it up. I faced it all, I stood and saw and did it my way. I love it right. I felt good, my share of losing. Now, no to subside, I face it all, so I'm losing. Sing, I did all that, and they I say, not in my way. Oh no, let me. Oh, what a band, what does he get? Bigger than so, many as that, to say the things he really feel, and that's the wall of one who feels like a joke. I took a blow and did it my way. That was Sid Vicious version ng My Way. Puro na lang. Puro rock mo na gagawin ko. Don't forget to tap the stars on the party section, please. Thank you for being there, Rising. Sino ba nagpunta? Ano ba yung nanonood? The Violinist, Best Joy, okay, session, Yubi, and for tapos na yung sa end broadcast ko sa YouTube. Huwag mo na. And you did my way. Diba ang kata ng Mag-box mo tayo. Box. Box. Never mind the vlogs. Anarchy. You want to click? Right. Anarchy in UK. Hindi ko alam to. Alam ko lang siyang pakinggan. Hello to Loka number 25. Hello to you. To Loka, November 25, 8:15 p.m. Pilipinas. Paul. Local ka. Ang pangit ang pakinggan pag dinoble, no? Pasensya na. God said again. God said again. Ano na kanta? Sometimes blurry. Paddle pad. Everything is blurry. Try ko lang. Kasi hindi siya kante. Baka may gusto ko yung kanta. Talaga yung or sa comment. This is from Paddle Pad. First time kong kantahin to. Everything is blurry, everyone's so cold, everyone's empty, and everything's always occupied without you, can't leave at all. Everyone's surrounded, I stumble and I go. You could be with someone. Paano ba to? Hindi ko siya alam. C at 9. C sharp. Paano mas decide? C sharp. Paano yung ano na yun? Sharp at 9. You take me all away when you push me on the bed. Everyone is blurry. Can you take me all the way? Parang gusto ko na mag-out. Ay, mag-end. End show ko na dito sa YouTube.